Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete WhatsApp username. If you have created a WhatsApp username but no longer want to use it, you can easily delete it or choose a new one. And removing a username means people will no longer be able to find or contact you using that username. So firstly, open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone and make sure you're signed into your account. And make sure you have updated your WhatsApp as well. And after that, you can simply go to your profile icon in the bottom right. And from here, you need to select this account icon there. And if your account has access to the feature of a username option, you can select username as it is not available in this region. And on the username page, you need to follow the on-screen instruction. You'll see your current WhatsApp username. You need to tap delete username or select the option to remove your username if prompted and confirm that you want to delete it. And once you confirm, your username will be removed from your account. People will no longer be able to search or contact you using that username, and it will no longer appear on your profile. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.